have struggled with tooth decay. You can see my teeth are very bad, but when I put my veneers in, now I feel like a brand new person. It's been years since I've been able to smile like this. I'm so happy. The process was really easy. I inserted my information, I made a payment, and within 2 days I got the impression kit, and it takes an impression of your teeth, and then within a month of sending the impression back, I got my veneers in. Here's my 3D mold of my current teeth. So, yeah, definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. I can smile with my teeth now.